2 seconds faster than him?
No, you got 12 and then 2 13s and 1 12.
Alright.
You got 11, so you got 11 something you want. Well, he got 12 seconds and I got 11 seconds? Yeah,
Jake, go take this to fucking off-road, go up mud everywhere, and then fucking come back and race a Gixxer on the track. God damn, what a bike. Oh shit, there's quail, red-breasted robins back here. What the fuck? Where the fuck am I? Hey dude, I'm behind the fucking right now. What the fuck? Shit is slick. Ooh, this is slick. Holy cow, this is slick. They're over there training still. I'm over here. They're over there somewhere. Alright, see if we can get out here without laying it over again. Slick this is. What the fuck was that? Huh. Nice out here though. Woo! Let's see where this goes. Holy shit, this is slick too. Damn. Some good trail training here. Alright, first river crossing. Oh my gosh, I almost. Oh man, saved it. Woo! These tires aren't that good off-road, I guess. Now I gotta get out of here. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Come on, baby. Holy cow. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Woo! Adventure action, baby. Good god. Yeah, I can hear you now.
I could hear you the whole time, dude.
Oh, okay. I think I turned my shit down.
Did you get stuck or something?
Oh, dude, I almost laid the bike down again right now. Fucking crossing this shit, dude, and I slid out. Fucking ended up way out in the bushes. Oh my god, dude, that was crazy.
Did you get on film?
Yeah, I was filming. Damn, fucking water everywhere. Yeah, dude, I almost went down. I was crossing this little creek, and it hit a rock and fucking bounced me off the trail and shit. And then I got stuck, fucking, you could see all the mud I slung up underneath there because I couldn't get any traction going out of there. God damn.
I guess I gotta quit saying film.
I always say if you're filming or not. Damn, that was crazy, dude. I thought for sure I was going down, but I was like, nope. I fucking tried to do it. I did. We'll see how the video looks.
You definitely need a fucking cage.
I'm proud of myself for saving it, dude.
That's good. That's good.
Hell yeah.
Need to practice some more.
Dude, I went all the way up there. Look.
Stuff.
Look. See those buildings up there? That's where I went.
What?
Yeah.
You went up there?
Fuck yeah, dude. There's a trail that goes up there and then it goes up. It's slick as fuck and it goes all the way up there. I was up there. I could see you guys from there.
Really?
Yep. And then I went back down and started cruising down. There's like, all these ponds are connected, and where they're connected, like this thing goes down. You'll see the video, dude.
It's pretty down there, dude. They should make
it is.
A park.
Dude, it's total adventure practice down there, dude. There's all these little trails and shit, and it's good adventure practice.
Yeah, we got a nice little freaking course here.
I know.
These parking lots, man.
Dude, this would be golden if like we could have this forever. I mean, you come here and practice street, go down here and do adventure.
Yeah.
Dang.
Good stuff.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, I gotta fix my mirror. Look. It's loose.
Uh-oh.
I got tools real quick. I'll fix it.